Distributive law. The factor outside the buckets is multiplied by each term inside the buckets. If we have a rectangle and its length is divided into two parts, we can calculate the area of the rectangle, length times width, like this, A times B plus C. This means A is multiplied by B first, and then by C. Now imagine a rectangle where both the length and width are divided into two parts. To find the total area, we need to calculate the areas of four smaller rectangles separately. This is how it will. Here, we first multiply A by C, and then by D. Next, it's B's turn. We multiply B by C first, and then by D. Take a look at this example. First expand any brackets, next multiply any terms and use the law. Now we should collect like terms by adding or subtracting.